Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Heather McPherson with Realty One Group, and today I'm with Jeff Ohm of Nova Home Loans, and we're going to talk about pre-qualifying and getting the home buying process started. Hi, Jeff.
Thank you, Thank you for having me, Heather. I'm super excited. Thank you.
So many clients call me and they want to view a home. They saw it on Zillow or they saw it on Realtor.com or in the listings that I've sent to them. And I let them know that they need to be pre-qualified before I can take them through the property. Can you explain why that's important, Jeff?
That's a great question. And you see a lot of realtors say that they won't take clients out because they're not pre-qualified, right? So the situation is the borrower has to know what they qualify for. They have to know how much they can afford, and they have to know that they can actually purchase the home that they're seeing. So we walk them through that entire process, and it's very, very important that you get them in front of a qualified lender that knows what they're looking at, to make sure that when that buyer is excited and gets that house under contract, that they can close and then move into the home of their dreams.
Awesome. And so often they'll ask me, what do I need to apply? What is this going to require? So what do you usually require for your applications?
So it's not as hard as what everyone thinks, right? Obviously the most important is their credit. So we will do a full application. It's called the 1003. We'll get their first and last name, their date of birth, their social security number, their address. That allows us to pull their credit, and we can see what kind of credit history that they have. So some of them have bad credit, some have okay credit, and some of them have excellent credit. And we can work with all of them to get them into a home. Awesome. On top of that, we'll look at their income. We'll look at their employment. We'll look at their income, tax returns depending on if they're self-employed. We'll look at the number of years that they've been employed, and then we'll also overall look at their debt ratio. Mm-hmm. And their debt ratio is the amount of debt or bills that they pay versus the amount of income that comes in on a monthly basis.
Awesome.
And,
So often people are hesitant to have their credit pulled because there's an impact on their credit score. What do you say to that?
So if they are ready to buy right then and there, or at that moment, I tell them don't worry about it, because it's a necessary evil, unfortunately. But I also tell them that they are allowed to shop. They can go to multiple mortgage lenders, and as long as it's within a certain time frame, typically 30 days, it's only treated as one inquiry.
Right.
If we have borrowers that are a little bit farther out, we can do what's called a soft pull.
Okay.
And that's a pull of their credit, but it doesn't give them a hard inquiry. And that's helped a lot of borrowers that are still on the fence and they don't want to take that initial leap. But at least it gives us an idea of where they are credit-wise, and if we can qualify them going further.
Awesome. And how long does this process typically take? So if someone calls me today and they want to see a property right away and I get them into your application system, how long can they expect to have at least some sort of an answer where we can get on the road?
As long as we can get them on the phone that day or face-to-face and get their documents, we can get that pre-qualification form issued that same day.
Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. The same day you can be out looking at that home and we can be writing an offer and making that a reality for you.
Yep.
Thank you so much, Jeff, for this information. I think it's really valuable, and I look forward to doing some more videos with you to help our audience understand the whole process of buying a home.
And thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Awesome. Have a great day. For more information on what we've discussed in this video, our contact information is below. Reach out to Jeff or I, and we're happy to help you. And for more informational content, be sure to click the subscribe button for other videos.